Hello students, let's read letter Z as a beginning sound. Listen carefully and repeat. Z as a beginning sound. Zip, zero, zebra, zoo, zigzag, read, zip, zoom, zipper, zeppelin, zoo, zebra, zigzag, zone. Happy learning!